we're the girls from Cucko's Cucina. I'm Joanne.
I'm Jackie.
And I'm Kelly.
And we're back this week with our Anytime Flips. And today we're going to make for you a take on bruschetta.
And it's called Dakos.
Dakos,
in the
right.
islands, it's known as Dakos. And we've enjoyed it in Karpathos, and we thought we'd share our version with you.
And actually, you know, we had this in Santorini too when we were there.
Did you?
We did. And we took one of these catamaran rides through the volcano, through the caldera. And this is what they served us for lunch. But this, you can also have, we had it in Karpathos for breakfast.
Yeah.
So this is why, you know,
It's
we
an
love
anytime
this.
flip.
It's
You
an
can have it
anytime flip.
anytime.
You
You
can
can
have it
even
for breakfast or lunch.
Or serve it as a meze.
Or as a meze.
Yeah.
It's wonderful. So
It's really, really easy to do. So first thing you want to do is you want to get some barley rusks. They come packaged and they're dry. They're like hard bread. And if you're using those, you're going to dip them in a little bit of water. The recipe's on the blog, so you can follow that to see what the procedure is.
Right.
If you don't have the rusks, you can't find them anywhere, you could just get nice country bread and slice it thick like we did and toast it. So we're going to start off with that.
well, we want to drizzle first with just a little bit of olive oil just to get
give it some moisture.
give it a little bit of moisture. Okay. And then we're going to add, we took some plum tomato and we chopped it up. So you want a coarse chop. You don't want this to be too fine. And we're going to add it just on top.
So that's like something you really want to load up.
Yeah.
We're losing them.
Okay. Oh, I'm not going to do that one.
No, we're going to just
We're just going to do the
demonstrate
one so
one.
we can demonstrate one.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the next thing we want to do is we want to put some feta over your tomato. Do you want to do salt
I
and
think
pepper
do some
first?
salt and pepper
yeah,
first
let's do salt
because
and
we like
pepper
to
first.
salt our tomato.
Yeah, so get some nice to taste, you know, because tomatoes need a little bit of a punch there. And then we're going to do some nice black pepper. So we've got that. And then we're going to proceed with doing our feta. We've got some crumbled feta here. Put that
And
on
Jackie,
top.
I think you're going to take our
Do the
third one.
olives.
And
The
then
feta is optional. You don't have to put feta. Some people do. Some places
Yeah.
don't like it. So
on the islands, they don't, you know, they
they
don't
generally
use,
do just tomato. They go more healthy, lighter. Depends on what you're serving it for, or what you're in the mood for. Okay, so we've got our feta.
And then on top, we're just gonna put some Kalamata olives here.
And again, this is, you know,
Running
some
away.
places put them, some places do not. So
So I know it was different in Karpathos than it was in Santorini.
yeah,
Which is, you know, kind of fun too, because then you get different flavors from different islands.
right.
Jeez.
Those olives.
We're
just-
really loading this up.
yeah.
Packed it too high. It's like a mountain. They're just rolling right off the here.
Just take it off.
There you go.
Oh.
I forget it.
Okay. And then we're just
Okay.
going to drizzle with a little bit of olive oil here on top.
And how we're gonna top it off, it needs some fresh herbs. So you're gonna take, you can either use thyme or oregano, add that on top.
I find that thyme and oregano have very similar flavors when they're fresh.
When they're fresh,
When
yeah.
they're dry, they
Yeah.
have very different flavors.
Yeah,
But
yeah. So,
Anyway, so this is our Dakos. Galiorexi.
Galiorexi.